Hello, welcome to how to solve this equation for x. X plus 6 whole to the power 4 plus x plus 4 whole to the power 4 is equal to 82. First of all, we split this 6 as 5 plus 1, and we split this 4 as 5 minus 1. Like this, x plus, we split this 6 as 5 plus 1 whole to the power 4 plus x plus, we split this 4 as 5 minus 1 whole to the power 4 is equal to 82. Now here we have x plus 5 and here we have x plus 5. So we suppose this x plus 5 equal to m. Let x plus 5 is equal to m, and we substitute m in this equation, then this equation becomes m plus 1 whole to the power 4 plus m minus 1 whole to the power 4 is equal to 82. Now we can write this m plus 1 whole to the power 4 as m plus 1 whole square and whole to the power 2 plus, and we can write this m minus 1 whole to the power 4 as m minus 1 whole square and whole to the power 2 is equal to 82. Now according to algebraic identity, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This m plus 1 whole square is equal to m squared plus 1 plus 2m whole squared. This plus will come here, and according to algebraic identity, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. This m minus 1 whole squared is equal to m squared plus 1 minus 2m whole squared is equal to 82. Now here we have m squared plus 1 and here we have m squared plus 1. So we suppose this m squared plus 1 is equal to a. Let m squared plus 1 is equal to a, and here we have 2m and here we have 2m. Suppose this 2m equal to b. 2m is equal to b, and we substitute a and b in this equation, then this equation becomes a plus b whole squared plus a minus b whole squared is equal to 82. Now according to algebraic identity, a plus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared plus, and this a minus b whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is equal to 82. Now this positive 2ab will be cancelled with this negative 2ab, and this 1a squared plus this 1a squared, 2a squared, and this 1b squared plus this 1b squared plus 2b squared is equal to 82. Now from here we can factor out this 2 times, in bracket left, a squared plus b squared is equal to 82. and from here we divide both sides of this equation by 2. This 2 will be cancelled with this 2, and at the left side left, a squared plus b squared is equal to 82 divided by 2, 41. Now recall that we have supposed that m squared plus 1 is equal to a and 2m is equal to b. So in place of this a, we put the value of a, m squared plus 1 from here. And in place of this b, we put the value of b, 2m from here. Then this equation becomes, the value of a is m squared plus 1 and this square, plus the value of b is 2m and this squared is equal to 41. Now according to algebraic identity, a plus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This m squared plus 1 whole squared is equal to m to the power 4 plus 2m squared plus 1, and this plus will come here, and this 2m squared is equal to 4m squared is equal to 41. Next, m to the power 4, this 2m squared plus this 4m squared plus 6m squared plus this 1, and we move this 41 to the left side, it becomes negative 41 is equal to 0. Next, m to the power 4 plus 6m squared, and this plus 1 minus 41 is minus 40 is equal to 0. Now we can write this m to the power 4 as, m squared whole squared. We write this m to the power 4 as m squared whole squared plus 6m squared minus 40 is equal to 0. Now here we have m squared and here we have m squared. So we suppose this m squared is equal to y. Let m squared is equal to y, and we substitute y in this equation, then this equation becomes y squared plus 6y minus 40 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation and can be solved by factorization. The sum of 10 and negative 4 is equal to this 6, and the product of 10 and negative 4 is equal to this negative 40. So we can write this equation as y squared plus 10y minus 4y minus 40 is equal to 0. Now from these two terms, y squared plus 10y, we can factor out y times in bracket left y plus 10, and from these two terms negative 4y minus 40, we can factor out negative 4 times in bracket left y plus 10 is equal to 0. Now from here, as you can see, this y plus 10 is a common factor, so we factor out this y plus 10. Y plus 10 times in bracket left this y and this negative 4 y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now from here either this y plus 10 is equal to 0 or this y minus 4 is equal to 0, and from here y is equal to negative 10, and from here y is equal to 4. Now recall that we have supposed that m squared is equal to y. We have supposed that m squared is equal to y. To find the value of m in this equation, first we put the value of y negative 10. M squared is equal to negative 10. Now to find the value of m, we need to take a square root of both sides, and because square root of negative number is not a real number, so no real solutions can be found from this, so we reject this one. Now in this equation we put the value of y 4. M squared is equal to the value of y is 4, and to find the value of m we take square root of both sides, and this square will be cancelled with this square root, and m is equal to square root of 4 is plus or minus 2. It means m is equal to 2 and m is equal to negative 2, but we need to find the value of x. Now recall that we have supposed that x plus 5 is equal to m. We have supposed that x plus 5 is equal to m. Now to find the value of x, first in this equation we put the value of m 2. X plus 5 is equal to the value of m is 2, and x is equal to 2. We move this plus 5 to the right side, it becomes negative 5, and x is equal to 2 minus 5, negative 3. Now in this equation we put the value of m negative 2. X plus 5 is equal to negative 2, and x is equal to negative 2, and we move this plus 5 to the right side, it becomes negative 5, and x is equal to negative 2 minus 5, negative 7. So these are the two values of x. x1 is equal to negative 3 and x2 is equal to negative 7.